Oh, ikaw, liligo ka na. Ha, baby girl? Baby girl? Si Bugoy, ayaw maligo. Ayun, oh. Bugoy! Boogie boy! Boogie boy! Yes, my dudes. This is episode 8. Doggy Bath Day. Okay, my dudes. Samahan niyo naman ako ngayon para magpaligo ng mga dogs. Ito pala si Bugoy. He's a tiger commando. He loves running outside on a sunny day and peeing all over the garage for no reason at all. He is a very quirky dog with character.
Good. Bandaw lang yung face. Bandaw lang yung face. Oh! Iyak po! Yan, sit lang.
As you can see, medyo extra challenge ang pagpapaligo dito kay Bugoy. One of his hatest things kasi in the whole wide world, yan, yung pagligo. Siguro kasi authentic asong kalye yan eh. Inampon lang namin dahil nagpaampon sa amin. Galing niya eh. Hindi talaga yan sanay maligo.
Wait. Ta.
At yun, sa wakas, papatuyo na lang.
Tuwalya. Yay! Tuwalya na ang pogi namin. Pogi. Pogi.
Pagtapos naman maligo, napakayabang.
Nanay? Yung leash?
Yan, tapos na siya sa wakas.
No.
Nairaos din. At ganito kami lagi pagpapaliguan siya.
Yeah.
And this is baby girl. She is a pet bull. She is very nice and super bait. And also matakaw. She likes peeing in front of our gate, that's why it's mapanghe. But it's okay because she is very sweet and very mabait. And for a pet bull, she is very gentle. Kita naman ang difference nila ni Bugoy. Siya mabait. Si Bugoy sobrang kulit. She is a very steady creature and often tamad.
Good girl. Sige, go. Okay, good girl. Yeah. Ganito. Ay, good.
At yan, very proud na siya na bagong ligo. Cuddly na daw siya kasi ulit.
Ganda na, oh. Ganda na yung baby girl namin.
That's it for this episode, my dudes. Mission accomplished. Until then, Stay fresh, my fresh dudes.